The main causes of low back pain. Sedentary habits play a huge role in low back pain. The lower part of the back is subject to a lot of tension because it carries the weight of the upper area. In general terms, the weight of the upper body is supported by the spine, its stacking vertebrae and the discs that comprise it. These discs function as a shock absorber to keep the bones of the vertebrae from touching each other. However, they tend to wear and tear as people age, so injuries are more likely. This wear and tear occurs over time, due to overwork or lack of movement. It causes temporary pain or stiffness and, in some cases, it becomes the sort of chronic pain that notoriously affects people's daily routine and well-being. The lower back is most affected over time, and it can be due to different causes. A person carries out activities that require great physical effort and involve uncomfortable movements and bad posture. The affected person sits for long periods without moving. Don't miss arnica and coconut oil ointment to treat lower back pain. Natural ways to relieve low back pain. In all cases, you must consult a doctor who can identify the real problem. However, it's often difficult to find the underlying reason for back pain in a patient, despite the many existing techniques and technological advances. However, it's necessary to go through this process to receive adequate treatment. Fortunately, there are some natural methods you can use to soothe your low back pain so you don't have to interrupt your daily activities. Likewise, keep in mind that you must consult a doctor to obtain a proper diagnosis. Thus, these treatments are only a way to relieve symptoms and not a cure. 1. Cold and heat. A rather effective natural therapy to relieve back pain is the direct application of cold and heat. These temperature changes help reduce inflammation by promoting blood flow in the area affected by injury or physical labor. This works even if it's due to the tension resulting while maintaining an uncomfortable posture for a long period. You can place cold water packs, ice packs or gel covered with a towel directly in the area of pain to decrease inflammation. Then, use hot water compressors or warm water baths to promote circulation. This method relaxes the muscles and reduces discomfort. 2. Garlic can relieve low back pain. The health properties of garlic are well known. In fact, it's particularly good as an anti-inflammatory that can relieve low back pain. Garlic can also be an effective natural remedy to relieve back pain. This is because of its allicin content, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Eating it raw is the easiest way to use it to relieve pain. Also, you can apply this analgesic topically. To do this, you must make a garlic-based oil. Ingredients: 10 cloves of garlic, 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Preparation: heat the oil in a pan and add the garlic cloves. Brown them over very low heat. Then, strain them and store the oil in a glass container. Also, you can do a cold version of it. Just add the garlic to the oil and let it steep for 5 to 10 days. 3. Physical activity. Exercise is a great natural therapy for relieving muscular and lower back pain. You can start with a fitness plan that includes low-impact daily exercises such as light stretching, swimming, or walking. This is because these are great for dealing with stiffness in the area. A sedentary life greatly affects the muscles in the lower back. So, you strengthen them and avoid more injuries when you exercise. The stronger the muscles, the fewer the ailments you'll have. Discover chronic low back pain and the new treatment for it. 4. Sleeping well. Adequate rest helps align the lumbar area. Proper sleep can be the best solution for many of your health problems. Endorphins are released when we sleep, and these hormones can be just as effective as pain medication. When the body produces endorphins, the pain signals recorded in the brain slightly decrease. Restful sleep relieves the anxiety, stress, and depression associated with chronic low back pain. In fact, it's common for people with back pain to also have a sleep disorder. Poor sleep can worsen your low back pain. This is why it's important to find a solution for both in order to avoid a vicious circle that can be harmful to your health. In any case, it's always a good idea to seek professional medical advice. We hope you've enjoyed this article.